you
Yeah,
could
that's
spend a
amazing.
dollar, and you think about it, and obviously, when people are comfortable taking out loans, they spend money that they don't have, on the
That's the
promise that they're
American
going to be
way,
able to
man. Like,
well,
yeah,
on
exactly.
the promise that they'll be able to pay it back someday. And I think that's where we're hurting because people don't have the promise that they can pay it back one day. Like I think
Yeah,
there was a time
yeah.
when everyone thought I will make more in the future than I do today, and I don't know if that's the case anymore.
Well, that's called slavery in the Bible. There's a Greek word called doulos, which basically means slave or servant, and that's why Dave Ramsey is so against that because you literally become a slave to other people.
I mean, what the heck are you talking about?
Well, yeah, we just hit companies like a trillion market cap just recently, just a handful of years ago, right?
Yeah,
A
it
I
trillion.
think
is.
Apple hit 2 trillion at one point, didn't it?
Yeah, I think
And
wasn't Apple the first one to hit a trillion or something?
I think so. Yeah, Apple was the first, and then you got all the Mag Sevens following through suit.
Oh, that is crazy. So,
Yeah. Yeah.
like, can we? Okay, since we're talking about money, what Chris and I like to do is we like to define terms. So, could you define what money is?
So the best way to think about money, the we should go with a few definitions. So let's start with the purest sense of what money should be. Money should have three main properties, which is one, store of value, two, medium of exchange, and three, unit of account.
Oh, define the third one. I'm not familiar with that third one.
Unit of account means that when you go out and you look at something, that is how that something is measured. So if you go look at an Apple iPhone, you know it's measured in US dollars. So US dollars is a unit of account. That's how
Yeah.
something's measured. And medium exchange and store of value is all there. If we take a look at the US dollar, it has two of the three properties. Again, the two properties are medium exchange and unit of account. Anyone's willing to trade you for it, and everyone's willing to measure in it,